Are permits required for oversized loads? If you are curious about transporting oversized loads with trucks and 18-wheelers, you might be wondering about the need for permits. This is an important topic in the world of truck towing and hauling. Let's break it down so you can understand what is required. When it comes to oversized loads, permits are indeed necessary. These permits are required for any load that exceeds the standard legal dimensions or weight limits set by state or federal regulations. The main reason for these permits is safety. Authorities need to assess the risks associated with oversized loads and impose restrictions or conditions for safe transport. So, what are the basic requirements for these permits? First, let's talk about dimensional limits. If a load exceeds certain dimensions, such as height, width, or length, a permit is needed. Typically, loads over 13 feet 6 inches in height, 8 feet 6 inches in width, or 53 feet in length for a semi-tractor semi-trailer combination requiring a permit. Next, we have weight limits. Loads that exceed 80,000 pounds gross vehicle weight also need permits. Additionally, you must consider axle weight limits, which are 20,000 pounds for a single axle and 34,000 pounds for a tandem axle. Permits are especially important for non-divisible loads. These are loads that cannot be broken down into smaller parts without compromising their integrity. Non-divisible loads often requiring special handling and routing, making permits essential. In the context of truck towing and hauling, oversized load permits are vital for compliance with regulations and safety standards. Truckers must plan their routes carefully to avoid roads unsuitable for oversized loads. This often involves working with local authorities to secure permits for specific routes. Safety precautions are also a consideration. Depending on the load, additional safety measures may be required, such as escort vehicles or specific signage to alert other drivers. Obtaining permits can add time and cost to a shipment. Truckers need to factor these elements into their logistics planning to ensure timely and cost-effective delivery. So, how do you obtain these permits? First, understand the route. Determine the exact path the load will take, including any local or state roads. Next, determine the permit needs based on the route and load dimensions. Finally, submit applications for the necessary permits, providing accurate information about the load and route. By following these steps and understanding the regulations surrounding oversized loads, truckers can ensure safe and legal transport of these loads.